Today I'm going to walk you through a simple but powerful skill, how to create and apply your e-signature in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're signing a legal form, an application, or just trying to avoid the hassle of printing and scanning, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a professional-looking signature to any PDF quickly and securely. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. If you're using the free reader, don't worry, you can still follow these steps without any problem. Make sure the document you want to sign is loaded and visible. It seems basic, but starting with the right file is key. You'd be surprised how often folks accidentally sign the wrong page or document. Now at the very top left of your screen, you'll see the Tools menu. Go ahead and click that and then look for Fill and Sign. Selecting this activates a set of features designed exactly for adding text, checkmarks, and most importantly, your signature. It sets up the PDF in form-filling mode and makes everything much more intuitive. Once you're in the Fill and Sign toolbar, check out the Sign Yourself icon. You'll usually spot it as a little fountain pen graphic. Some people miss it because the icons look similar, but this is the one you want. Click on it and choose Add Signature. This is where the magic starts happening. You'll now see a pop-up window with 3 ways to create your signature. Let me walk you through each one so you can pick what works best for you. The first option is Type. Here you can simply type in your name. Acrobat will offer several handwriting-like signature styles to choose from. This is perfect if you want something clean and readable, and you're not fussed about it matching your real-life signature. It's fast and looks professional. Think of it like a digital font that mimics ink. Next, there's Draw. This lets you actually draw your signature with your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you're on a touchscreen device. Take your time with this, don't worry if it's a little wobbly on the first try. If you're using a mouse, it might feel awkward, but just think about how you'd sign on those electronic pads at the post office. Your signature doesn't have to be perfect, just recognizable. Lastly, Image. With this, you can upload a photo or scan of your handwritten signature. If you prefer this option, grab a blank sheet of white paper, sign your name in black ink, and scan or snap a clean photo of it. That contrast really helps Acrobat create a clear, crisp signature. This is the closest to your genuine pen-on-paper look. If you want to save time in the future, especially if you sign documents regularly, check the box that says Save Signature. This will save your signature to your Adobe account, making it just a click away on any device where you're signed in. Super handy, now hit Apply. You'll be taken back to your PDF and your signature will travel with your mouse like a sticker ready to be placed wherever needed. Click where you want your signature to appear, and you'll see that you can even drag the corners to resize it or move it to get that placement just right. It's a small detail, but it keeps things tidy and professional. Finally, when you're satisfied, head up to File and choose Save or Save As. This is essential because it actually writes your signature into the document. A signed, saved PDF is ready to share, send, or store. And that's it. You've just mastered e-signatures in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching and happy signing.